Okay, so we are busy getting the entire collection of Baby Elf Chinese Pokemons, and that it is these beautiful cards over here. So as you can see, I still have a long way to go to complete all of the sets and to complete the entire collection. But a massive thank you to Jonathan from Tetramon Collections. He has given me a bunch of cards that I can add towards the collection to complete the collection. So a massive shout out to him. So let's quickly see where these cards belong. Going to be sped up, and we're going to quickly add these cards into the binder. And there we go. The cards have been added to the binder. Thanks to Jono. We are one step closer on completing the entire collection.